Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Bradford white water heater is showing a gas valve electronic fault, it can stop hot water from working properly and leave you wondering what went wrong. You may notice the water heater not heating, flashing indicators, or the system refusing to start normally. This kind of issue usually points to communication or power related trouble with the gas valve system rather than a major breakdown right away. Since the Bradford white water heater uses an electronic gas valve to control heating safely, even a small interruption in power, settings, or connection can trigger this fault. The good part is that many times the issue can be checked with a few simple troubleshooting steps before thinking about repairs. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Bradford white water heater gas valve electronic fault. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Bradford white water heater and allow the Bradford white water heater to sit for a short time before restarting. Step 2. Reset the Bradford white water heater by following the reset instructions on the Bradford white water heater control panel. Step 3. Inspect the wiring around the Bradford white water heater gas valve to make sure connections look secure. Step 4. Check if the Bradford white water heater is receiving stable power for the Bradford white water heater controls. Step 5. Verify the temperature setting on the Bradford white water heater and adjust the Bradford white water heater setting if needed. Step 6. Turn the Bradford white water heater back on and confirm the Bradford white water heater fault message is gone.